Hi everyone, I just quickly wanted to talk about how I find ideas for laying out a fashion portfolio. So the first thing I do is I go to pinterest.com. I'll leave a link in the description section if you don't know what that is, but it just has tons of ideas on basically everything. So I type in fashion portfolio and it comes up with tons of ideas, and I just literally scroll through and have a look at different layouts, ideas, the ways that they have done their flat drawings, their illustrations, and also just laid out fabric swatches. So yeah, I just browse around, have a look, and from one pin you can actually scroll down and you can see suggestions, so it's like a never-ending way of getting around the whole of Pinterest and seeing all these ideas. And a lot of them you can actually see the links below, so some of them are linked to people's blog posts, so you can like totally have a look at their blogs. Some of them are on ArtsThread. ArtsThread is where people upload a lot of their portfolios as well. Some of them are linked to universities, so definitely have a look at the links as well. Really, really handy to have a look at. And sometimes you can also come across designers' work as well, like designers' mood boards. I came across an Ellie Saab mood board as well once, so there's a perfect example. You can see how they've laid out their fabric swatches, and also prints, different ideas, laying tracing paper over the top, so it's not just flat, there's lots of different elements going on. So the other thing I wanted to mention is that I actually make mood boards myself, and obviously like that's just like a weird thing to say, but I'm a freelance designer, so I make mood boards for different companies, I make mood boards for different people that want them, brands, organizations. I even help students make their mood boards if they're extremely confused, or construct their portfolio. So if you have different elements and flats and you're not sure what to do with them, I do help in that regard. So I've been getting a lot of questions on that, and especially on my Instagram DM and my email. So if you are interested in that, you can email me or DM me on Instagram, and I will be more than happy to help, because it's always nice to have a little bit of help and to kind of see how things are going. But yeah, I've been doing that for companies, and these are actually my current rates for making a mood board, so if anyone is interested, this is just my rates right now for it, and I can do portfolios as well, as I mentioned. So this is how I find ideas personally and adapt my work to kind of fit how I want it to and find ideas and inspiration. If you are interested, as I mentioned, my email is right there and in the description section of this video. You can subscribe for more videos if you'd like to. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!